and welcome back to another video. This is Crypto Coins, and in this video we're going over Strongblock nodes. We will see what it takes to make $1 million with Strong. For those of you who are new to nodes, Strongblock is the original project that created this investment style infrastructure. A node is a piece of the blockchain in which you can create by investing on a node on their platform, and then that node can be used through other networks to speed up the efficiencies of their blockchain for a small fee. Now, this project was originally created for nodes as a service, but the project grew much more than that, and actually the project generates more money through acquiring more people to participate and through their additional investments. It was created based on a node as a service project, but it's much more than that, and it's not so much a node as a service project. Now, if you've been following my channel, I've been covering a lot of nodes. Most of the projects I'm covering, they do not have nodes. You actually don't create any nodes in any blockchain. They're forks of Strong and built in a way so that people can invest in these products without the node aspect of the investment. Strong has been around for a little over a year now, and that's pretty successful in the crypto space. This is a project that's been giving great rewards time and time again for the duration of this project, and they still continue to do so. Let's take a look into the project before we go over some numbers. This is their landing page, and if you click on the app portion of the site, it will take you here. You connect your wallet and then you'll be able to create a node. Strong is part of the Ethereum network, so the gas fees are pretty high. It also takes 10 Strong tokens to create one node, and that is the only tier mechanism for Strongblock. What you want to do is come in here and create a node. You click there, you name the node, you add a node description, and this is where your money goes once you buy a Strong node. A non-refundable and non-returnable contribution of 10 Strong to the Strongblock community is required to create a node and participate in rewards. Your 10 Strong will be distributed as follow: 10% future use, 10% to Strong ETH and Link Strong pools for rewards, 20% into the Strong pool, 60% into node rewards pool. So 60% of this node goes to paying off all the previous holders, and that is a breakdown. Once you buy a node, that money is gone. You're purchasing the node, but there is daily rewards. If we scroll down, you have to agree to the terms before you make your node, and there is a monthly maintenance fee of $14.95 per node paid through ETH every month. I understand that failure to pay the monthly fee with 30 days after the due date will result in the smart contract automatically expiring the node. I also understand and agree that if I fail to pay my node fees, I forfeit all unclaimed rewards for that node, and that I must manually pay the fee every month. So it is very important that you keep track of your nodes and that you pay for those maintenance fees, or else you will lose your rewards and you will lose your nodes. You have a 30-day grace period there, and if you don't take action, you will lose your investment. If we go back to the app section, they also have a section for mining. This is pretty interesting. If you have Strong and instead of creating further nodes, you want to stake your Strong, you can stake it here in this ETH 2.0 pool, and you will be rewarded 25.31% in ETH, which is incredible. I don't know how they're doing this. So if you rather go through a investing staking vehicle instead of buying a node and forfeiting that investment, you can come up here and stake your Strong for ETH rewards, which is fantastic. You also have the option to provide it in the Strong pool, and you will earn 44.39% on Strong rewards there. Or you can provide liquidity with Uniswap version 2, liquidity pool token Strong ETH, or Link Strong, and these are the rewards. Plenty of ways to play this besides creating nodes. So how do you get involved? How do you buy the tokens, and how much does it cost to get involved? I like to use Binance US since I'm based out of the US for most of my centralized crypto purchases. Step number 1 is to buy ETH. Buy ETH through your exchange, whether it's Gemini, Coinbase, Binance, whatever you have your hands on, you buy Ethereum. If we go back to my spreadsheet, I have live quotes of the price of Strong. In order to buy one node, you need 10 Strong, and currently Strong is trading at $360. If you multiply that times 10, you have the price here of $3,605. That's the cost per node. What I recommend is if you want to get involved, it's not cheap. You need to buy enough to cover 10 strong tokens, plus have enough for gas fees, Ethereum gas fees. So in this instance, if I wanted to get involved today at this current price, I would buy $4,000 worth of ETH to cover the cost of 10 strong plus gas fees. We buy $4,000 worth of ETH and we send it to our decentralized wallet that could either be MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Once you do that and you send it over to your wallet, you want to come to Uniswap. This is the site. We launched the app and here we are. What you want to do is select the token here and type in Strong. And there it is. Strong is here. You connect your wallet and you buy 10 Strong. You can also buy Strong through KuCoins and other exchanges, but I don't like doing that since it costs a lot of money to move tokens in the ETH network. The gas fees are high. So I like to buy ETH and send it to my decentralized wallet. So that's one transaction. Once I have it in my wallet, then I swap the necessary tokens needed to buy 10 Strong, and then I'm left with the rest of ETH. If you buy Strong in an exchange, you're going to need ETH to send that Strong out of that exchange into a wallet and pay ETH fees, and then move your ETH to your wallet and pay fees on that too. So I'd rather just buy the ETH, move it all together to my main wallet, one transaction, and then swap for Strong. That is the preferred method to save some money there on gas fees. Once you have 10 Strong and you have some ETH left over, then you can get to business and buy the node in the app. You go here, you create the node, and you'll be on your way. Now, how do we make $1 million with Strong nodes? If we look at the spreadsheet, you have all the information here at your convenience: the contract, the name of the token, the symbol, the decimals, and the explorer. And here's the information so that you could add the Ethereum network into your wallet. Now, I didn't put the information since Ethereum is the default network for any of these wallets, so you don't even have to input it. So this is a default network. If we go to the right, you have all the basic information to partake here. You have the website for Strong, their Twitter, their Telegram, their Medium, and where to buy, which is Uniswap, the app we just went over. So everything is here at your convenience. Now, if we see here, blue equals input. If we continue to go to the right, this is where you input any information that needs to be updated. So as of now, it takes 10 Strong per node, so I input the information there. The current node value right now for 10 Strong is 3,605. The current reward right now, you earn 0.09100 per day. That's $32.81. Now, the way they calculate their Strong per day is based on, I put a note here, base reward is 7,000 blocks. Average blocks per day is 6,400. Strong per day average rewards is 0.091. The base reward for 7,000 blocks is 0.1, but on average there's only 6,400 blocks being produced, which gives you a reward of 0.091 on average. So that's how that number is being generated. And that is $32.81 per day on rewards there per node, according to today's prices. And there is a $14.95 maintenance fee. Now here is a calculator for your taxes and fees. You type in here in the blue how many nodes you have, how many days you've been invested, and you input the total gas fees here once you try to execute the transaction. Let's just say I have 3 nodes, I've been invested for 20 days, I'm being rewarded 5.46 Strong there for 3 nodes, 20 days. That's a reward of $1,968.44. And let's just say I want to execute these rewards. I'm paying, hypothetically here, this is where you would input your number once you try to do the transaction. Let's just say I'm paying $280 worth of gas fees. It breaks down here, I'm paying $93 per node on gas fees, and it does the total maintenance fee here for these nodes based on the monthly rate. That is $44.85. That's $14.95 per node. And here are my total rewards, $1,643.59 after gas and maintenance fees. Also note that the maintenance and gas fees are obviously paid in ETH and they're not paid in Strong, so you always have to have extra ETH available for you to be able to do these transactions. Let's go to the literally $1 million question here. How do we make $1 million here? The spreadsheet calculates the number of nodes that you have. It's a table that projects your returns. So let's just assume I have one node that's 10 strong per node. I'm earning 0.091 strong per day. That's $32.81. The sunk cost, that's how much it costs to get this position, 3,605.20 cents. That money is gone. That's how much I paid to buy this. The payoff for one node is 109 days. My actual profits per day, taking all this into consideration for the first year, is not 32.81, it's 22.93, considering the sunk cost. Actual profits per week, per month, and per year. If you look up here, it says position payoff days. It's 109.89 days to pay off any of these positions. The table works individually from one row to another. And so if you were to buy 3 nodes, it would take 109 days to be able to pay those off completely for the 3. Now you also have the payoff days for one node if you want to compound. So if you have 5 nodes, it's going to take 21.98 days to be able to pay off one node. Now that doesn't pay for the whole position. That's for one node for you to be able to buy another node here and earn more rewards. Now if we go to the right, and if we look here, the first year with the sunk cost included, assuming you just buy one of these positions and you don't reinvest that money, the APR is 232% APR right now, including the sunk cost. Now, once you reach 109 days for that payoff, and assuming you don't reinvest the money, you just keep the same position, after 109 days, your actual APR jumps to 332% of your initial investment once that payoff happens. Now, this is all based on current numbers. If these numbers change, you can possibly pay off your position sooner, or it might take longer. This is the APR after your payoff, 332% based on the current numbers. So how do we make $1 million? What does it take to make $1 million being invested with Strongblock nodes? So what we want to do is go here to actual profits per year. This is after the position payoff. And you can only make 100 nodes per wallet. So if we scroll down, if we go to actual profits per year, here we're looking for $1 million, and we go down to the table. We only reach 836,000 for 100 nodes per year of actual profits. So we have to go to the second table. Actual APR after the payoff is here. Here is the number. This is what it takes to make $1 million per year with Strongblock. We go here to the chart, we go to the left, and here is the sunk cost for 84 nodes. It's 84 nodes to be able to make $1 million. That is a magical number, 84 nodes. That costs $302,836 there to be able to buy 84 nodes. Now, after 100 days, you will cover this sunk cost. So after 100 days, then starting from that day forward, you will be making $1 million. And that is a magic number to make $1 million with strong nodes. Now, if you would like to get a copy of my calculator for you to do your own calculations and strategies with strong node, you need to join my Patreon and join the calculators tier here. Once you join the calculators tier, you'll have a link to the spreadsheet. You go to File, make a copy, and make a copy for yourself in your own drive. This only works with Google Sheets since it has live quotes. You make a copy and you will be able to configure this spreadsheet. Now note, you can only customize the blue cells here. Everything else is automated. And here you have a drop down if we had different tiers for the nodes, but we don't. We only have one. And so this one you don't have to touch. And that's how you get a copy of this calculator. Up here you'll have a video reference link to this video if you ever need some help on how to use this calculator. If you found this video of any use or value, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below for more crypto investing tools. Thank you very much, guys. That's gonna do it for this one, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.